Hey guys, we're back. Charles Scicli here, Elite Properties, bringing a very special listing in Thousand Palms, a compound sitting on just under 3 acres, 30730 via Las Palmas. Come on in. Welcome to the Thousand Palms compound. The property is just under 3,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3-car garage, big open floor plans, and 2 fireplaces. The exterior here has huge pool and spa, all pebble tech, custom concrete, and full outdoor kitchen. Now let's go check out the rest of the property. Welcome to the biggest feature of this property. Huge, massive 2,750 square foot garage, parks your motorhome, plus all your toys. You have huge land and mountain views. This is the ultimate property for Thousand Palms, and it's short-term rental ready. Welcome to my favorite part of this listing, the huge 2,700 plus square foot garage. You have motorhome, you have toys, you have cars or trucks. This is the place to put them. The most unique thing about this compound in Thousand Palms is that it's horse friendly. You have a full corral plus stables. I'm Charles Scicli with Elite Properties. For more information, contact me direct. And to top it off, this property is short-term rental friendly.